Hello dear students. Today we are going to discuss our next topic, phrases and its kind. So let's start. So first of all, what is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words that is not having subject verb combination. It's not having meaning if used alone, but if used in a sentence has a unique meaning. Let's understand with an example. Now, a beautiful home. Is it a group of words? Yes. Now, is it having a subject or verb in it? No. So, we are having no subject verb combination here. Is it making any sense? No. But with an example, we can understand that we are talking about a beautiful home. But is it conveying any meaning or thought? No. So, if we used in a sentence, we get the complete meaning. So, I built a beautiful home. Is this group of words now conveying any meaning? Yes. So, we are getting the complete meaning. In this way, a beautiful home satisfies all the four conditions and so it is a phrase. Let's discuss types of phrases. There are 5 phrases. These are based on 5 different parts of speech. Now, discuss it one by one. Number 1, noun phrase. Second, verb phrase. Then, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, and prepositional phrase. So, let's discuss one by one. Noun phrase. Noun phrase acts like a noun in the sentence. It contains a noun and other associated words which modifies noun. For example, a woman in the window shouted for help. Here, a woman in the window is a noun phrase, as a woman is a noun and in the window is just describing the noun. She bought a decent shirt. Here, a decent shirt is a noun phrase, as it describes a shirt that is a noun. Let's discuss another kind, verb phrase. A verb phrase is a group of main verb and helping verb within a sentence. For example, she has finished her work. Here, has finished is a verb phrase, as finished is a main verb and has is a helping verb. You should study for exam. Here, should study is a verb phrase, as study is a main verb and should is a helping verb. Let's discuss another kind of phrase, adjective phrase. One or more words work together to give more information about an adjective is an adjective phrase. What an adjective does? Adjective modifies noun that works as an adjective phrase. For example, I am very happy with his work. Very happy is an adjective phrase here, as happy is an adjective and very is just a word for helping happy. So it is an adjective phrase. The cost of the car is way too high. Here, way too high is an adjective phrase, as high is an adjective and way too is just a word for helping to form adjective phrase. Now look into the another kind of phrase, adverb phrase. In adverb phrase, one or more words work together to give more information about an adverb. Now what does adverb do? Adverb modifies verb. So does an adverb phrase. For example, they ran really fast. Here, fast is an adverb and really is just describing more about an adverb fast. So it is an adverb phrase. He drank the milkshake much quicker. Here, quicker is an adverb and much is describing more about the quicker. So it is an adverb phrase. Now, let's discuss the another kind of phrase, that is an prepositional phrase. So, in a prepositional phrase, one or more words work together to give information about preposition. It gives information about time, location, or position or condition. For example, he is sleeping on the carpet. Here, on is the preposition and on the carpet is the whole prepositional phrase. He always speaks in loud voice. Here, in is the preposition and in loud voice is the whole prepositional phrase. Now, we have discussed all the main kind of the phrases. So, now I hope that all the points are clear to you. So, thank you and goodbye.